Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Square for Bitcoin purchases, full guide step by step clearly. To start using Square for Bitcoin purchases, first, download the Square app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create a new account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to enter your information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Investing tab on the main screen. Select the Bitcoin option from the list of available assets. You may need to verify your identity before you can purchase Bitcoin. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload any required identification documents. After your identity is verified, return to the Investing tab. Here, you will see an option to buy Bitcoin. Input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase or the dollar amount you want to spend. Confirm the current price of Bitcoin, as prices can vary. Tap the Buy button to proceed with your purchase. Review the transaction details carefully before finalizing. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be added to your Square account. You can check your Bitcoin balance at any time in the Investing section. If you want to sell or transfer your Bitcoin, return to the same section. To sell, select the amount you wish to sell and confirm the transaction. To transfer Bitcoin, go to the Send option and enter the recipient's wallet address. Before completing any transaction, make sure to double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Keep track of your Bitcoin investments and review your account regularly for updates. That's the complete guide on using Square for Bitcoin purchases. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.